Hello kids, I am Cuckoo the kangaroo. I am the national animal of Australia. I have 4 legs, 2 small front legs and 2 large back legs. I am a herbivore and eat only grass, leaves, flowers, etc. My baby is called Joey and I keep him in my pouch for almost 8 months to keep it safe. Today I will tell you my sound story in RJ Learning Fun, where learning is always fun.
So students, today we are going to learn a very interesting story, that is K sound story. The name of this letter is K. The name of the letter is K and the sound of the letter is K. So we'll call it K sound story. And the characters of our story are, this is Cuckoo kangaroo, Cuckoo's friend kitten, 2 kids Karan and Kabir, and this is the king, kind king. So let's start the story. Cuckoo kangaroo was very fond of flying kite. So he loves to fly kite. One day he locked his house and came out to fly kites. So what he did, he locked his house to keep it safe and came to the garden to fly the kite. He hung the key on the branch of a tree. So this is the key of kangaroo's home. He hung the key to the branch of the tree and started flying kite. The baby kitten was also with him. Some children were playing near the palace. These children, 2 children, Karan and Kabir, they are playing outside the palace. This is the palace of the king. The kind king was having tea outside the palace. So outside his palace, the king is sitting and he is enjoying his tea. A kid requested the kangaroo to give him the kite to fly. So this kid Karan, he requested the kangaroo to give him the kite to fly. And if you want something, if you want any favors from your friend, teachers or parents, then how would you request them? By saying please, the magic word please. So Karan said, please kangaroo, give me your kite to fly, and kangaroo happily gave Karan his kite. Another kid, this Kabir, who was playing with the ball, kicked the ball and it hit the kettle. He kicked the ball and this ball hit this kettle. The kettle fell to the ground and all the tea spilled out. Kabir got very scared and he immediately said, sorry. So, if by mistake you have done something wrong, what should you say? You should always say sorry, because this king was very kind. So the kind king forgave Kabir and told him to be careful next time while playing with this ball. Now let's see which vocabulary words you have learned today. First, the names, the proper names. This Karan, this is a special name, and the special name of any person, place, animal or things are called proper nouns. So this Karan and Kabir, these both are proper nouns, and the name of this kangaroo is Cuckoo. So this Cuckoo is also proper noun. The name of common things or animals are called common nouns. So this key, key, kid, kite and kettle. These are common nouns. These are the names of things. Then this kitten, this is also common noun, name of an animal. King, name of a person, this is also common noun. This kick, this is action word. The action words are called doing words or verbs. So this kick is the action word. What other actions you are seeing happening here? What is Cuckoo kangaroo doing? Flying the kite. So flying is action word. Then the king is drinking. So this drinking is action word or doing word. So kicking, drinking, flying, these are all action words or verbs. Let's practice writing A to K. We have done 10 phonic sounds till now. The first one was this a as in apple. Then we have learned b as in ball, k as in cake, d as in doll, e as in elephant, f as in fan, g as in girl, h as in hut, e as in igloo, j as in joker, and today we are going to learn k. K as in kite, kangaroo, king. So first straight line, then slant line, straight line and two slant lines. Straight line, then just like the beak of a bird, make a V. Straight line, then two slant lines, just like the beak of the bird. This is tree and this is bird's beak, as if the bird is pecking at the tree. Just like the woodpecker, the bird is pecking at this tree. K as in kite, kettle, king, kangaroo, key. Dear students, do remember in our previous video we have learnt about this cuckoo's birthday, where all the words starts with this C says K. So the letter name is C and the sound is K. So the words were candle, clothes, camera, card, camel. But here the letter name is K and the sound is K. So sound of both these letters is same, phonic sound is same, but the name of the letters is different. This is K says K and this is C says K. So you will have to learn the vocabulary of both the Ks. Here the vocabulary words are kit, key, kick, kettle and cake. Here the vocabulary words are cake, candle, clothes, camera and card. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon dear kids with next sound story. And after K, which letter comes? L. And the phonic sound of L is L. So we'll hear L sound story.